video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fashion to figure bathing suit haul. All bathing suit one pieces, no bikinis. I didn't like any other bikinis this season, but I wanted to grab them before they sold out because they be selling out really fast. So I'm super excited for this video. If you do enjoy my hauls, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also hit that thumbs up and that notification bell so that way you can see all my crazy videos. So let's get into this haul. The one thing about fashion figures, they're always going to be reliable. So if you ever worry about quality or anything like that, that's never an issue. I've never had things ripped. I never had things not fit like they say it's gonna fit. It's never been a problem ever in the history of my fashion to figure life. I've been going to fashion to figure before they were bought by New York & Company. I was a fashion to figure fan. I was in like 8th grade going to the Palisades Mall. They had the freaking store fashion to figure and that was my joint. So shout out to them for always being there for us plus size queens. Okay guys, this is what the first one looks like. I kind of like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I thought that this wouldn't have enough support since it's like sideways, but it actually does feel really good. I crisscrossed it in the front because that's how the model had it, to Bria, my girl. It's fun and friendly and woohoo, it's comfortable. I got this in a 2, so if you're wondering, but yeah, I love the colors. It's just different and playful and I love that. I feel like I'm going to Hawaii, you know, it's definitely a vibe. Comment below what you think of the first bathing suit. I think it's really, really cute. If I had to rate this out of 10, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Just in case you guys are wondering, because I feel so comfortable and I don't feel like I'm not wearing a bikini. Like, it kind of looks like a bikini, but it just happens to be a bathing suit. And I would have never tried this 10 years ago. Never in a million years. I would have never even thought of it because of my boobs. But like, look at that. There's enough fabric for the girls, for the tatas. I'm obsessed. So let me get into bathing suit number 2. So this is the second one. If you want to look like an Egyptian goddess, this is the one you're gonna get. I feel so freaking hot. Oh my god. I love this. It has a cute little gold belt right here. I don't know if it's detachable. Nope, it's not. It's not detachable. And then it has the cute little gold right here. Come closer so you guys can see. You see that has like the gold detail? Woo, my boobies feel good. This one is actually a size 1, believe it or not. Depending upon like what my boobs are doing, I'll go up or down a size, so that's why. So if you're just wondering, that's just what happens. So this one I kind of knew because it was a one piece and it wasn't like a string holding me together that I can go down a size, because I'm technically a 1 or like an XL or a 1XL like everywhere in the world. So this is the back. I love the full back coverage. You guys already know how I feel about that. But yeah, comment below what you think about this one. So if I had to rate this, I would give it a 10 because look at it. The quality's fire. I look like an Egyptian goddess. I feel like I could put like a cute little skirt and wear it as a shirt if I want to. Like I would wear this as a shirt. Y'all think I'm playing? I am that girl. I do not care. It just like fits your body correct. Like in the right places. Like even all the belt and the lines are right in the right places. Oh, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. So you're gonna get your bang for your buck. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but come on, like anybody can risk it. Risk it. You should just risk it. All right, so I have 2 more bathing suits. I know we're just like flying through this haul, but I'm noticing that you guys like when the hauls are a little bit faster, so I'm just doing things a little bit faster. Oh, and the straps are adjustable, guys. Just in case you're wondering, the adjustable thing is gold. I just love gold on me. Oh! All right, so I have 2 more. Let me go ahead and get into the next 2. All right guys, so this is my 3rd bathing suit. This one's scary. Like I don't have any hope for this area. Like I'm scared, I'm nervous, I can't race anybody in the pool, I can't go swimming with kids. Like I don't know what's gonna happen. But if I'm in an adult only place, like I'm chilling. The only thing is that, all right, so this one I think is really hot. If you have smaller boobies, you might want to go to a 3 if you have large chest like me, because there's some underwire right here giving it that lift. I just don't have faith. But the really cool thing is like it's not coming out on the side boob, which happens all the time. But what do you guys think of this one? Like if I had to rate this one, I would give it a 8.5. Only because I'm super insecure about my back fat, even though everybody on the internet knows what it looks like. I don't know, like I get so weirded out. But y'all are probably gonna think it's fire. I just am like, So I'm gonna say, like I said, an 8.5 out of 10 because I just, like I said, my back fat. And then I'm a little, look, don't it look like it's gonna pop out? Maybe I should go up a size? Oh no, I just had to, it was just twisted. So I don't know, like I'm just not confident because I don't know what's gonna happen, but let me get a man. Let me get a man. Let him ask me on vacation. And I'm gonna be like, he's not even gonna get the words out of his mouth. He's gonna be like, Leslie, you want it? I'm gonna be like, yep. But yeah, this is definitely not one that I would wear around like family or friends or anything because I don't know what's gonna happen. See, if I have a slip with my man, he's my man. I don't have a man, but I digress. Comment below what you think of this one. Alright guys, this is the last one. I really like it because it has the mesh on the side. It's comfortable. It's razor back, so it's covering up that back fat. You know how I love when my back fat is covered. So yeah, I really like this one. I give this one 10 out of 10 mostly because I feel supported here. I feel like it's cute, it's stylish, it's different, and you don't have to be showing too much if you don't want to, but it just shows just the right amount, which I love. So I could wear this like in a public setting. That's not with my man. I mean, if with him, without him, he doesn't exist. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos and my other hauls in the description box. Everything will be linked in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!